your name?
Hi, John.
John? Am I John? Okay. So, ikaw lang talaga vocalist. The girls don't sing.
Ayun, may sunset vocals.
Sila, pero wala naman solo-solo.
Meron.
Sometimes, okay. Aling klase kayo? What's that?
For the arrangement.
Original song, meron ko talaga. Who did this originally? One Republic. One Republic. Okay. Ako yung kumita ng apologize.
Fixing na nyo ako yung makikita.
Maganda itong with all my secrets away, I'll tell you what you want to hear. Diba? Parang gano'n. Wala ba kayo ibang alam na ano? Alternative rock from the One Republic. So, anong hindi alternative na alam niyo?
About bigyan yung scale up, script.
Break even? Or the Carol Cathy move? Break even? Alam mo natin, pakinggan niyo to. Don't be yung fallen love with this song. Trust me. Bawal na bawal makakawal. Maganda to, Nancy. Pinakanta na ni Ching Siap ngayon. this for the first time. Diba? Mary break even, the man who can't be moved, and I'm yours. Yun yung mga kabuti ko. May nakalag parang may break even. Ito nga, may break even. Parang negosyo naman yung break even. Kasi nga, heartbreak, it won't break even. Kasi pag naghiwalay kayo, kanya-kanya kayong time to recover. Pero kumiin pa, di ba? So, yun ang ano, ako'y nakamubuhan na. Mas naumpasa sa nakamubuhan sa akin. Okay. So, ito ngayon, you're a very good performer, John. Kasi nilalaki mo yung stage. That's very interesting. Boss, bakit talaga rin sa kanta kasi hindi mo kilala yung kanta?
Voices are nice, the harmony is good, the music is good.
Alam mo yung attention sa music, pero you have to remember, August Monday sa semi-final, doon talaga ang labanan for the 2 million ibang level. So sana talaga mas lalo pang gumaling. Boss, what's your vote?
That's it, guys.
Even better, okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.